we'll get into what Vodafone Idea, IPO did. But all I'm trying to say is that typically when you see a large IPO sail through in this kind of an environment, when you say, okay, there is edginess, there is FI selling, valuations are not that stretched, that means somebody is ready to commit. And that is where I think the desire to participate or desire to buy something new, I think visible. So for me, I think Vodafone IPO is in clear endorsement of the fact that there is a wall of liquidity which is there on the sidelines, and wherever there is a differentiated proposition, I think the issue will sail through. We'll discuss about merits of Vodafone IPO as the show rolls on.
Sanjeev Bhasin was of course singing praises of Vodafone Idea as well, but at least on the fundamentals you have flagged off the interest.
So let's let's discuss it, since we've discussed it for a while. Yeah, we've almost discussed. So let's understand.
It's more exciting than Reliance's numbers.
Yeah, Reliance is nothing. Reliance, we don't have to discuss it. In line set with numbers, let's move on. That's the Reliance for me. What is Vodafone Idea? Now, India will keep 3 operators. That's important for India's Digital India framework.
Economy,
yeah. Second, cash comes into balance sheet. And now equity market has actually given you cash to bail out the debt of a company. So equity markets are now bailing out companies. They bailed out Suzlon, now they bailed out Vodafone Idea. Will the relevance of Vodafone Idea, what it is, in May 2024 increase because of cash and because of expansion? The answer to that is no. So Vodafone will survive, their relevance will improve, and for a balance sheet, if the equity comes up and debt goes down, the balance sheet enterprise value will change. And if there is a tariff hike, which should happen, which is what we hear, the whole matrix for FY24 and FY25 will actually change. So Vodafone Idea is more like a stock which you cannot judge by the prism of earnings, but it's a stock you would say that, okay, this is the business. 3 years from now, will it be more valuable? And if the answer to that is yes, then you have to be with the stock. If you think the importance of that business will go down, then you say, okay, it's a stock which I'm not very sure of. It's like Zomato at 50 rupees. Will the relevance of food delivery in our life increase? The answer to that was yes. If that is yes, then you buy the stock. Will Vodafone Idea after cash infusion become bigger? If the answer to that is yes, then you have to chance your arm. If you think it is not there, that's a judgment call. I think it will increase. Why? Because cash is coming in the balance sheet. It's a build-up back company. And more importantly, Sarkar backup kar rahi hai.